how-tos. You guys, it's one thing for you to pay somebody to fix your credit, all right? Because a lot of us, we don't have time, right? Even though we all have the same 24 hours in a day, we don't have time to fix our own credit, right? But here's the thing about paying someone to do your credit. You're still going to end up doing the bulk of the work. So there's some things that you really need to understand for yourself. Another thing, you can fix your own credit. You can't increase your credit scores on your own, but you have to know what you're looking for. You have to know, have an understanding of what you're doing. I also want you to just think about this. If you pay somebody to do anywhere from like $100 to $300 a month for someone to repair their credit, well, guess what happens when you start to backslide? Because we backslide, right?
Absolutely.
Every now and then, get that score up there, and it's just like, whoa, what's going on? Why is it going back down? If you don't know what to do to fix it, guess what? You have to go and pay them again. All right. So you still have to have a little bit of knowledge on your own. You can most